In this episode of the River and Wilder Show, we go to the secret lake. We learn how to fish
around in a circle like that
and see if Wilder can catch a trophy. Then we jump ashore, climb some rapids, and explore an old beaver dam. And do some building of our own. So stay tuned. It's the River and Wilder Show!
we're gonna go outside, we're gonna have a blast. Better keep up with us, our only speed is fast. So join us and learn stuff that you'll want to know. That's what it's all about on the River and Wilder Show.
We're back in the north, where we've flown in to an amazing place called Esnagami Lodge. Today we get a fishing lesson. But first, breakfast with Papa and Wilder.
How's your morning, Cookie?
Good. At breakfast, we talk
Did
strategy.
you catch a big fish today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And snacks.
But there is frog gummies. I know where they are.
Then we check out photos of all the big fish caught in the release. If you catch one big enough, you get a t-shirt and join the Esnagami Trophy Club. Dad says the pike on Esnagami are so fierce, he wants to take us to a training lake first. After a pretty spectacular boat ride, we see the trail.
There's a rock.
Well, we're here at the secret spot.
Dad sends us ashore first to check for bears.
Get them first.
Then we hike to a lake that's full of kid-sized pike.
We're gonna go around in a circle like that, and then we're gonna float over.
Papa helps us choose our lure.
This one?
Carry it out.
Wilder casts out first and has a bite right away.
In the boat, remember?
After we take our picture, we make sure the pike swims away.
Put him in the water. You let go of his head.
Pretty soon, I had one on too.
Oh, hold on tight. All right, buddy.
Gently, I rebreathe the fish and let it go. We love fishing, but we love exploring more. So we asked Dad to drop us off at this island.
Look at them. Do you see them? Made a nutshell.
With the island explored and our training complete, it was time to head back to the lodge. Or maybe we'll have a swim first. Did you know? Northern pike can grow up to 4 feet long. That's taller than me. They have gills for breathing underwater. Fish don't have any eyelids. But when it gets dark, they sleep on the bottom. And when the sun comes up, they're ready to eat again. So watch out. It's time for What Did Archer Say?
River, are you big fish? You love birdies.
I love birdies?
Yeah. With this one go, mommy? With this one go?
We came across some rapids. Wanted to see what was at the top. So it was time to explore.
I really like this thing. I love it.
We found an old beaver dam.
That's a beaver who did that. I'm not lying. That's a beaver who did that.
We decided to build.
Well, let's get some sticks. And we can probably use them. All bending water be okay. Because see those things that are gliding across the water? Those are water skiers.
What can you do in there?
Go scuba diving. You go.
With our water strider scuba dive hotel finished, we made it to the top and found a new way into the secret lake. That was it for today. I can't wait until tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't miss our next episode, where we stop at an island and cook some lunch. Then climb a beaver dam, head down a mysterious river to catch a beautiful brook trout. So click the video for the next episode or click subscribe to catch them all.